Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Cancers. And today we'll be picking one card. This will be this will be the message from your person. I will leave it here. And one fortune cookie for you all today, Cancers. So that will be your lucky inspiration for today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we will keep these cards here. We have dog, man, and birds. So Cancers, today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone quite confident about something. You have a vision, you have certain aspirations, you are focused on certain things, and you are making an important decision today. So it may be in your work, so you are making some important choices and you want to make the right choice. So you are talking to people who are close to you, maybe people whom you trust. So you are talking to them, discussing with them what needs to be done today. So some kind of clarity you are expecting today, and that is the reason you have this conversation, maybe with friends or some family members, trying to find the right choice or trying to find the right solution today in your circumstances. That may be the case even in this relationship. Maybe you're deciding something in your connection. Maybe you're thinking of commitment, or maybe you're thinking of this person, what needs to be done and what is the right way to do things, or you're making some important decisions today about this love. And maybe for some of you, you are thinking whether this person is someone loyal to you or not. So there may be some doubts you have today on your mind. Something is bothering you and you don't know whom to ask, what to do today. But with these cards, I can see that the person you are in relationship with, they are someone loyal, they are someone trustworthy, and you can be happy about this person. You can be really happy about yourself in this connection, about this person, because they are loyal. Because this card here It stands for loyalty, and they are a very friendly, compassionate person. So, that is what I see with these cards for your general energies, Cancers. So, for your relationship, we have one more card, Garden. So, with this card, it looks like a happy time, or maybe this person is looking forward to spending time with you. Maybe certain doubts or whatever confusions you both had, all that is resolving. If you had the doubts, your doubts are clearing up. Or if this person had those doubts, their doubts are clearing up. So things are falling into place very smoothly. And maybe you are going out, meeting your friends or family members, having a good time, going to a party. So some kind of communal activity, maybe going out together, something giving you happiness, something building a positive vibration in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. Stork. So a good news in your work circumstances, Cancer. So it may be a very rare opportunity reaching you, a new project, a new financial deal, whatever it may be. It is some kind of work related success reaching you today in your career, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your message from your person. I need to go my own way for a while. Maybe this person is taking a time off, maybe they are taking a break from this relationship, or maybe it may be because of their thoughts. Maybe they are thinking, they are discussing with their friends, family members regarding this relationship to make that decision. Maybe they are thinking of marriage or commitment. That may be the reason they want their own time for themselves. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. So time for your fortune cookie. Challenges. Take time out from problems or conflicts, or approach softly to avoid making matters worse. So that is what is really happening today. Maybe this person is taking time to think and plan and then make a move. That is what is going to help them or help you today, Cancer. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancer. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Cancer. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.